Which of the following is a vector quantity? So once again, a scalar is not dependent on direction, while the vector is dependent upon direction. Now, the first choice, A, states speed. So the equation for speed is distance over time. So once again, we know that if you started at this point here, traveled around in a circle, that would be the same as any other odd path that you chose to take around going through here. So we know that distance, travel distance that we went over, is a scalar. So this is a scalar. And time is also a scalar. So it's not dependent upon direction. So if both of these are scalars, then our speed is also a scalar. So A is not dependent upon a direction. B, as we stated before, time is a scalar. C, the travel distance, is also a scalar because it doesn't matter what direction you go, you're still covering some amount of distance. D, stating that the area would be a vector, but we know that it doesn't matter what direction or how you move this box around, you're not going to affect the area of this. So whatever direction this is facing, moving, doesn't make a difference to what the overall value for the area is going to be. So that is also a scalar, so not a vector. And the final choice is acceleration. We know that acceleration is the change in velocity over the change in time. Once again, we know that time is a scalar, but we also know that velocity is dependent on direction. Therefore, it is a vector. So if velocity is a vector, and the acceleration is also a vector, because if you change the direction of which way you're moving, you're going to change your velocity, which would ultimately change your acceleration. So our answer for this problem would be E, acceleration. Acceleration is also dependent upon the direction that you're moving.